This year we are featuring the Future Chef Competition. It's our 8th year that we're doing it, and it's future chefs from elementary school, grades 3 to 5 I think we did this year, and they submitted recipes from their favorite movie or favorite book, and they got to prepare it here in the kitchen today.
I made green eggs and ham.
I made Ratatouille's dish from the movie Ratatouille.
I made chicken teriyaki dumplings.
I made apple cookies.
They prepare their food that they've selected. They submit their recipes in advance so we can vet them and make sure that we can get all the ingredients and that it's safe to serve. We also enjoy having the culinary students from the high school join them. They help them cut things, they help them use the ovens.
First I had to cut the apples and then add peanut butter. I peeled zucchini and eggplants.
I first had to get the eggs, then crack them in the bowl.
Then we have guest judges from the community and from the school that come and taste all the food, enjoy all the food.
I was nervous but excited at the same time.
And then we give out some great guest prizes.
I think it was really fun. I'm glad that I actually entered and that I was able to make food almost all by myself.
The goal is really to have fun, ultimately, but to teach the students that there's healthy things that they can make in the kitchen. It gives them an opportunity to see our kitchens, to see what we do here in the school department, and it gives them something to look forward to. A lot of them have never had the opportunity to cook in a kitchen. Some of them learn some tips and tricks at home that they bring with them, but I think that's inspiring.